Are you ready to unlock the power of advanced AI reasoning without spending a dime? Then stick around, because you're definitely in the right place. And before we dive in, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving this video a like, and sharing it with anyone who might find it useful. Your support helps us create more content like this. Today, we're exploring ChatGPT's incredible o3-mini model. And the best part? It's completely free to use. We'll show you exactly how to access it and leverage its powerful reasoning capabilities for tackling complex questions, whether you're into programming, science, or just enjoy a good logical challenge. First, let's get you logged in. You'll need a free ChatGPT account, so head over to the OpenAI website and sign up if you haven't already. Having an account is the key to unlocking this free resource. Now, the magic happens when you find the Reason button. It's located right there in the chat interface. Look carefully. It might be subtly placed, but it's your gateway to o3-mini. Once you've spotted it, give that Reason button a click. You should see the model switch over to o3-mini. Congratulations, you're now ready to tap into its advanced reasoning abilities. So, what can you do with it? Let's throw some questions at it. For programming, try asking it to explain a complex algorithm. In science, ask it to break down a tricky concept like quantum entanglement. For math, challenge it with a logical puzzle. You'll be amazed by the insightful and detailed responses o3-mini can generate. Try asking, explain the concept of recursion in programming with a simple example. Or, what are the key differences between mitosis and meiosis? The answers are usually surprisingly good. Now, it's important to understand the limitations. You get a daily message limit, typically around 10 messages, and the reasoning level is set to medium. Also, keep in mind that performance might fluctuate a little depending on server load. It's free, so things might get a bit busy sometimes. To make the most of your free quota, plan your questions strategically. Prioritize those complex queries that really benefit from o3-mini's reasoning capabilities. Think before you type and try to formulate clear and concise prompts. So, to recap, create a free ChatGPT account, locate the Reason button, activate o3-mini, and start asking those challenging questions. Remember to be mindful of the limitations and maximize your usage. Now it's your turn. Go explore the power of o3-mini and see what you can discover. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your experiences and any questions you have. Happy reasoning!